You just found the 2012 Acura RDX. With less than 200,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Who says you can't have it all? The RDX delivers performance, luxury, handling, and comfort, all in a crossover SUV. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, moonroof, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, fog lamps, aluminum wheels, dual zone AC, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, power driver seat. Experience the rugged side of luxury. Get behind the wheel of the RDX today.